University ya Kisii ni gorichukuria rero yaiko mwere bumurubiro bwo kubaharira ni aborike kwabageni ase university yo kurengana na Vice Chancellor Prof Ogechi ni gayenekire mu barwa aborike gwetana kirbo isana na ibere basoire ase university yo.
We had 7,700 students placed here. Out of those 7,700, including those who had deferred last year and the other years, we have received 7,329, and we have had a week-long series of orientation, and all programs in the university have received the students as was expected, and we are glad.
Ukwana na bariki me university yo nigo Prof Ogechi ayenekiribuna serikali yeso ndi asomoro birubo kubariki aboriki wabo asikiro ya mariki wa hatari ko sababu sendeo na ukwanre urojo wa pili asoko kwa chibandi chitabwendereti.
We are also most grateful that the government has supported the students. We have not charged any student any money. We have not turned any student who didn't have any money to give for their household contribution. And we have kept on talking to them about how the system works. We are glad that in the course of the week we had our colleagues from HELB and the University Funding Board come to tell them, especially those who felt that they were wrongly banded, on how they can appeal. And we are looking forward to having the results out in 3 weeks.
Rengana nere niga masomara chakiri tukure Jumatatu ase ayenekiri na wakira babwatani bonse asoko bwatani no kuya wikirni moroberio yobuya nabuigo kwenekio mochando bo menya bwaboruki wabo noche wikomo erio.
Meanwhile, we are beginning our classes. Lectures will commence here on Monday at 8 in the morning as we move to the climax of the year, which is a graduation that is coming on 17th December. We are happy about the support we have received from everybody, from the community particularly because we do not have adequate accommodation. The members of the community have been so good. They have provided accommodation. The students have been so good to assist their colleagues to settle down. And we also want to thank everybody, particularly our colleagues from the Ministry of Interior, for ensuring that we are all secured. Our major challenge will usually be a little bit in terms of accommodation because we don't have adequate accommodation on campus. We only can accommodate 500 out of the 7,000. But that's a problem that is not a serious one because the community around has provided the accommodation.
Na kubatikana na University ya Nyamira nigo Prof Ogechi atebiri kenege tambakire kigia serikali kubiki University ya Chinsemecho na nechi wakonya asamangana yekerero gusi technology.
The Universities Act is clear. The government shall attempt to establish a university in each county, starting with the counties that have no university. So the people from Nyamira and other stakeholders have made a request, and the process of establishing the university college has commenced, and we look forward to having the Commission for University Education give us their report. No, there is nothing competition because if the university started, it will be under our mentorship. And when we mentor a university, we want to ensure that that university does not look like us. It will have a different character. And the character that we hope will come out eventually from that university is a university that is focused on technology.